Do you know that your Claude Code skills are fighting each other? Yes, quietly, every single day, and you probably never noticed. Have you felt that your Claude Code has slowly become a little unpredictable? The same prompt gives you one kind of answer today and a completely different kind tomorrow. It picks strange approaches. It ignores the skill you thought would kick in. You blame the model, the prompt, maybe you even blame yourself. But the truth is, it is not the model. It is not your prompt. It is your setup. And almost nobody is talking about this. If this sounds familiar, stay with me. Because in the next few minutes, I am going to show you exactly what is going wrong, why it is silently ruining your output and burning your tokens, and how to fix it today. Hi, my name is Vicky, your AI friend, guide, mentor, and I would like to share all my knowledge to improve your understanding and implementing solutions to your day-to-day AI uses. I will try to help you improve your experience in the world of AI, and I would like to welcome you to my channel, AI That Works Academy, where every piece of content we create delivers the complete picture of what works, and how you can make it work too. Before we go deeper, please do me one small favor. Hit that subscribe button if you have not yet subscribed, and turn on the bell. It costs you nothing, and it tells me to keep making videos exactly like this one, for you, completely free. Now let us get back to our today's topic. We watch an amazing YouTube video. Someone demos BMAD method, a beautiful framework. We install it. Another creator shows GStack. We install that too. Then Get Shit Done. Then GitHub Spec Kit. Then Superpowers. All of these are genuinely fantastic frameworks. The people who built them are brilliant, and thousands of users are getting excellent results with each of them. I am a fan of all of them. You should be too. But here is what nobody realizes most of the time. The creators of these frameworks never designed them keeping in mind that you may be using all of them inside one single project altogether. Each framework was built as a complete world of its own skills, its own plugins, its own commands. Each one assumes that is the one guiding Claude Code. None of them were designed expecting 3 or 4 other frameworks would be sitting right next to them, whispering their own instructions to Claude at the same time. And when you install all of them, globally, in your home.claude folder, every project you open loads every single one of them, all at once, every time. Here is where the trouble begins. Every skill in Claude Code has a description. That description tells Claude when the skill should be used. That is how Claude decides which skill to pick for your task. The problem is, when 2 frameworks both have a skill that says, use me for debugging, or use me for planning a feature, or use me for reviewing code, Claude has to choose between them, and that choice is not always the same. One run, it picks framework A. Next run, same task, it picks framework B. You get 2 completely different workflows for the same request. No error, no warning, just quietly inconsistent output. Your skills are fighting. You just never see the fight. Let me tell you how I learned this the hard way. I had spent real time designing my own custom skills. Skills shaped exactly the way I wanted my code generated. My style, my conventions, my output format. They worked beautifully. Then one day I saw a video about Superpowers. Superpowers is a wonderful framework. I installed it, globally, without thinking twice. And almost immediately, my own skills started to misbehave. Not because they were broken, they were fine. But Superpowers had its own skills covering some of the same territory, with trigger descriptions that overlapped with mine. So Claude, trying to be helpful, started picking Superpowers skills in situations where I expected my skills to run. My carefully tuned output was being quietly derailed, and I had no idea why until I looked under the hood. That was the moment I understood the real rule. And before I give you the fix, I want to show you something that most people completely miss. Every skill you install does not just sit quietly on disk. Its description gets loaded into the context of your prompts, so Claude knows when to trigger it. That means the more skills, plugins, and commands you stack globally, the more tokens you burn on every single prompt in every single project, whether you use those skills or not. So this is not only about wrong output or confused output. It is also about money, real tokens, paid tokens, wasted on instructions for skills that this particular project never needed in the first place. Clean up your setup, and you instantly save tokens on every request you make, forever. And here is the fix. Simple, structural, and it changes everything. Stop installing your skills, plugins, and commands globally. Stop dropping entire frameworks into your home.claude folder just because a video told you to. Instead, install only what that specific project needs inside that project's own .claude folder. Per project, always. Different projects need different tools. A game development project does not need the same skills as a data pipeline. A content workflow does not need the same plugins as a backend API. When you install per project, each project gets a clean, focused, intentional set of skills. No overlap, no silent conflicts, no wrong skill getting picked. Fewer tokens burned, and Claude finally has a clear, small, non-contradictory menu to work from. The output quality jumps immediately. And there is one more thing I now do every single time. Before I install any new skill, plugin, or command into a project, I ask Claude one question. Does this new skill overlap with the responsibilities of any skill I already have in this project? Will it create confusion about when to trigger? Claude reads the descriptions, compares them, and tells you honestly. If there is overlap, you either skip it or you rewrite the trigger description so the boundaries are crystal clear. I have turned this exact check into a small reusable skill, and I am giving it to you completely free. You can grab it from my free community on school.com. The link is in the description below. Join the community, where you will find this skill available for free. We will also be publishing more resources there for our future videos as well. If you have come this far, I can understand that you have probably felt this pain yourself. Maybe for weeks, maybe for months, without knowing what was going wrong, or why your Claude Code was not giving you the output you expected. I truly hope this video has given you some clarity. If this video has helped you, even a little, I would like to request you once again to please give it a thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. These small actions really encourage me and help me keep generating more useful content for you, completely free. Go look at your global.claude folder right after this video. Count how many skills are in there. I think you will be surprised. Clean it up, run the overlap checker on each project, and come back and tell me in the comments what changed. I read every single one. See you in the next video. Until then, keep using AI that works, because that is exactly what we do here on this channel.